Look at that, y'all. So we got Christopher Wallace, the Notorious RIG, and T'Challa, the Talion BBC, all fixed up. Y'all didn't see the jump that we got from T'Challa over here the last time because the GoPro quit. But the wheel fell off and everything. I broke one of the pins for the hex hub, or the hub and all that. Yeah, the wheel hex hub, whatever. Y'all know the thing. Broke the pin. And the wheel just came off rolling. It was actually kind of funny. But we got them all fixed. We're gonna run them today. And before I get them going, let me throw this on my noggin. It's a good comparison of the body mount systems I have. So you can see these are not stock body mount systems. We got the wing nuts and we got the hood poppers. These I know ain't coming off. Well, not easily, but when stuff catches on fire, if stuff catches on fire, or when these get all chewed up, like these are kind of mangled a little bit, they kind of they'll nick your fingers a little bit. They just take a while. Basically, they're a little bit more of a hassle, but I like them. They work. So here's a comparison here. Let's go ahead and I'm not even going for speed. I'm just taking them off. I got the magnet there to hold them that I always forget that I have. But the other thing is these kind of tear the body up with the washers. So after a while, a few bashes, they actually put cracks in the body. There we go. And it's just more parts to lose. So plug that bad boy in. Plug it in, plug it in. Eventually I'll stop doing that, I swear. No, I won't. Turn that one on. How's it going, man? Yo, good looking dog. Yeah. Electric, man. All battery. This one does about 55, 60 on dirt. This one does about 50. So they're pretty fast. They're fairly fast.
How long you been riding them?
This one, well, both of them I've had about 2-3 years now. So not too long, but long enough to get all right. Long enough to know how to break it or fix it when I break it, you know. You too, my man. Absolutely. And you can see, so the wing nuts on there, they hold the body on, but that took a minute. All right. So last time out, we broke one of the shock standoff screws. Something's already chewed up in there. Sounds crunchy, but we decided today we're gonna go with custom RC upgrades for the rebuild. We're getting the titanium action. Because M2C's got my Talion. Scorched RC is always out of stock when I have money. Yes, sir. There we go. See, I couldn't land nothing the other day. But yeah, it's gonna get the custom RC upgrades. I always like when people get to smile about it. But anyway, like I said, M2C got my Talion. Oh, right on the booty. Did it take it? Yep, sure did. M2C got my Talion, so custom RC upgrades is gonna get the Notorious. If I'm honest, Scorch, I've got one part of Scorched RC, my spool for my infraction, so we're gonna go ahead and say that Scorch is gonna get my infraction, just to be fair. I mean, it's only, I'm trying to spread the love, you know. We got Fast Lane Machine. They got my doubles. They got my Bandit, Rustler, the Bully Bandit. I'm gonna call it a Bandit because it started off as a Bandit. And the receiver box is from a Bandit XL5. It's still stock. And so is that servo link. I hope this is in frame because we stunned today. Woo, Christopher Wallace, the Notorious RIG. And also the GPM shocks, I know now that Kevin Talbot's using GPM, y'all rock with it. I've been doing this, so now these are a couple years old. Now y'all want to rock with GPM because Talbot does. I've been telling y'all these been good. They don't, y'all just been hating. Oh, it's Chinese. Well, so is Bruce Lee, Jet Li, and Jackie Chan. What up? No, that's the Notorious. Notorious, yeah. The Arma. So it's a stunt truck, so a little shorter wheelbase than the Revo.
Oh, hell yeah, man.
Whatever.
Chillin'?
How you doing?
I'm good, man.
Good, good, good.
I had some tracks of TRX4s.
Ah! Oh, shit. Yeah, the TRX4 is a good one, man.
They're not some truck crawlers.
Yeah, I started crawling. I think I took the dog bone out. Oh, I sure did. Oh, that's a quick fix.
I like the rock crawling thing, but I'm ready for a basher.
I hear you. Like, for me, it started off with these, and then I had a buddy of mine kept telling me, "Oh, you should get a crawler. You should get a crawler." And I finally built one as a replica of my cousin's Jeep after he passed. I was like, all right, let's try it out. And this stuff is fun. It's like the most fun you can have going slow.
That just looks fun. It takes
Oh, hell yeah.
It takes some trigger work to get it to level out and shit, don't it?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Ah! Would we break anything? Ah, the dog bone popped right back in. Hell yeah. It counts. See, you get a big jump here. Ooh, nope.
This dog getting dead. Need a rake.
Yeah, I brought a shovel out the other day and tried to smooth it out some, but it just, one of these days I'm gonna wait for after it rains. Kind of pack some of it down.
Right there's the most levelest spot.
Yeah, that's the one I get the best level sends off of.
Yeah, because it ain't got no.
See if we can land at this one.
It's hard.
Oh, that dog bone popped back out. Yep, this one's done today. There we go, get the camera going again. So now y'all get to see the difference between the old Ultimate Basher mounts. They ain't coming off of there, but they only pose a problem when things are on fire, versus this right here. Like, that's right off of there, lickety split. Plug it in, power it on, and then to put them back, that's it. And then you can still, they hold it to where you can still pick it up by the body. Like, they're on there. And we'll see if we get to actually send this a couple times today and not break it. Because Christopher Wallace did all right, so we'll see what this one does. There we go. Get up here and get this good vantage point here. rocks. Yeah, this one flies.
Yeah, that was great.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Yeah, this one's. Yeah, yep. That one spot, like you said, like you're pointing out, that's definitely the best spot. Yeah, that one, it just digs in the nose. See if we can get a good one here.
Woo!
Yeah, this one flying today.
I just hit that one easy.
Yeah, that's just to get back on the other side, and because that one, like you said, it just noses right into it.
Yeah, I quit slamming that front end into it. But it's stable too.
Oh yeah, yeah. This one, the fastest I've had this one was 84 on pavement. I've had it. It'll move well on grass. Like right now.
She's spinning more than she's hooking.
Yep.
Oh, she flipped. No, she didn't.
Good to go.
Man, I gotta get one.
This one, like I said, this one's my favorite by far. There you go. There you go.
I ain't touched the motor. I got 10 grand to put in the motor I want.
See, and that's the, like, part of it though is like when you get to take the time and you got to work for it. Don't it feel kind of good though when you get it done? Yeah. Like it's one thing. Don't get me wrong. Like it'd be nice to just be like, oh, I bought the thing and I spend the money on it right then. It'd be nice to have that financial stability, or that financial ability, I should say.
It'd be nice to drop 40 grand right
Yeah, but the journey's fun.
Yeah. And that's what it's about, especially with kids. You got kids.
Oh, I turned it off.
Is this your front bumper? Or somebody else's?
It's probably part of the one. Yep, it's just unplugged. Yeah, that's actually. So we're gonna stand on the business end of this one. All right, coming in hot.
Do you ever take it to like the bike things?
There's one over was it Stephen Day Park? Not far from here. I'll go to that one. But a lot of those parks, they don't like it when you bring RC, because honestly, you get some knuckleheads that don't pay attention to who's out there, and they'll send it right at somebody, like somebody's kid on the ramp coming down, and then there's an RC car coming right at you.
Yeah.
And in all honesty, as much as I love doing this, if one of my nephews is out riding bikes and somebody hit him in the head with an RC, I'm like, well, now I'm obligated to fight you. You know, exactly. Coming in hot one more time. Nice.
I bet you're jumping that thing like 25, 30 feet.
Oh yeah, I'm actually like impressed with how it's just been taking it, other than that bumper. And that bumper's from this, yeah. That's from this 100%.
That's in front of me right there.
100%. I bet you if we look, you'll probably find the part that's missing. All right, give it one more. We'll call it a day for this one. It's taking a good enough beating. All right, I'm sending it right at us right here. That's a good one to end on. There we go.
That's what I was going to ask you. Oh, cyclone.